AI Secrets: Crafting Viral YouTube Hits. Make money online. Ready to uncover the secrets that turn ordinary channels into profit-generating powerhouses? Profitability Plus is about to drop the ultimate guide to skyrocket your digital success. Buckle up, creators, because we're about to revolutionize your journey in ways you never imagined. Contrary to popular belief, mastering the art of going viral is a skill that anyone can acquire. Just ask YouTube sensation Mr. Beast, who shared insights into this very skill in a captivating interview with Lex Fridman. Now, we understand your skepticism, especially if you're running a small YouTube channel without millions of subscribers. But what if we assured you that the principles of virality are applicable even to smaller channels? What if it told you that the mystery behind viral YouTube videos isn't as elusive as it seems? What is a viral video? Viral videos gain momentum through internet sharing, primarily on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and more. Harvard Business Review revealed that videos reach their viral peak faster when shared within the first 48 hours, hitting the viral mark at 2 million views or more in just a few days. What causes a video to go viral? Delving into the HBR article, we discover insights from Unruly, a marketing technology company that analyzed a staggering 430 billion video views. Their findings suggested that the initiation of the viral process often comes from super sharers, individuals who share videos within the first 48 hours. Unruly identified 10 motivators for sharing videos online, as sourced from Harvard Business Review. Seeing what friends and family think about it, bonding over shared interests, kickstarting offline conversations, starting online conversations, sharing useful information with friends, being the first to share something cool, demonstrating knowledge of a subject, doing social good, engaging with trends, and self-expression. What a viral video looks like. Viral videos trigger strong emotions, prompting viewers to share them within their own networks. These videos have the potential to reach a massive audience within hours or even minutes of being posted. Importantly, viral content doesn't need a specific look to attract views. Often, what matters is the content itself, as exemplified by this typical viral video on YouTube. The noteworthy aspect here is the significant difference between views and subscribers related to this video. This gap signifies that the audience chose to watch the video for its content, not solely for the person behind it. How to make a YouTube video go viral? Crafting a viral video is more than luck. It's a deliberate process, as emphasized by YouTube educator Cian Cannell. It's akin to cooking, where some ingredients are essential and the main elements cannot be overlooked. First, the strong topic. Opt for a topic that resonates with your target audience. Second, the great title and thumbnail. Craft compelling elements that encourage clicks. Third, engaging hook. Grab the viewer's attention within the first 8 to 10 seconds. Fourth, interesting storyline. Keep the viewers engaged throughout the video. And fifth, emotional value. Ensure the viewer leaves the video feeling transformed. And here are the strategies for making your videos go viral. Strategy number 1. Creating compelling shareable videos. The initial step towards a viral video is crafting content that is both compelling and shareable. Emotions play a key role here. Whether it's laughter, awe, or surprise, people are more likely to share content that evokes strong feelings. Be entertaining, informative, or thought-provoking, all while maintaining a concise format to retain viewers' attention. This essentially boils down to telling a good story. Make viewers feel something giggly, happy, or sad. Surprise them with plot twists and cliffhangers to keep them hooked. Strategy number 2. Leverage social media. Social media platforms are pivotal in propelling videos to viral status. With billions of users worldwide, platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and X offer a vast audience for your videos to be seen and shared. Effectively leveraging social media involves choosing the right platform. Different social media platforms cater to different demographics and content types. Research your target audience and select platforms aligned with their preferences. Using hashtags. Enhance discoverability by incorporating relevant hashtags related to your industry or topic in your video posts. Engaging with your audience. Showcasing responsiveness to comments, messages, and mentions in social media indicates your appreciation for audience feedback and encourages engagement with your content. Strategy number 3. Optimize videos with SEO. Search engine optimization plays a pivotal role in achieving virality. Optimizing your videos for search engines increases visibility and enhances the chances of going viral. If your videos aren't reaching the desired numbers despite substantial effort, revisiting your SEO strategy could be the key. Optimize your video SEO by using relevant keywords. Research keywords related to your industry or topic and incorporate them into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Writing detailed descriptions. Provide a comprehensive description of your video, including relevant keywords, to help search engines understand your content. Adding captions and subtitles. Enhance accessibility by including captions and subtitles catering to a wider audience, including those who are hearing impaired or prefer watching without sound. Creating an engaging thumbnail. Design an eye-catching thumbnail that accurately represents your video's content, as thumbnails are prominently displayed on search pages. Strategy number 4. Analyze performance and apply new insights. The concluding strategy for achieving viral success involves analyzing your video's performance and iterating on future content. Through data analytics, including views, engagement rates, and shares, you gain insights into what works and what doesn't. Effective analysis and iteration entail using analytics. Leverage YouTube's Data Studio, tracking views, watch time, engagement rate, and audience demographics. Identifying trends. Observe patterns or trends in your successful videos derived from performance data. And experimenting and adapting. Adapt your content based on successful strategies and discard approaches that yield suboptimal results. While tools including YouTube's own analytics have made this process accessible, we're introducing a streamlined approach. Introducing a singular dashboard that puts crucial metrics at your fingertips. Average watch time. Gauge how invested your audience is by tracking the average time they spend on your video content. Watch time by video. Identify the heavy hitters that consistently capture your audience's attention, driving watch time month after month. Subscribers gained versus lost. Keep a pulse on your channel's growth with real-time insights into your subscriber count. No more surprises. Likes, comments, and shares. Measure the heartbeat of your community engagement. How much love, discussion, and sharing is happening around your content. Going viral is a skill. Understanding that identifying your unique voice as a creator leads to virality is crucial. Authenticity forms the core of viral content, fostering relatability and prompting people to share your content. Just be yourself and let your unique personality shine through. Creating a viral video may seem like finding a needle in a haystack, but it's not an insurmountable task. To our fellow creators, take heart. Your viral moment could be just around the corner, awaiting your initiative. That concludes our deep dive into the world of digital success. If you're hungry for more game-changing strategies and groundbreaking insights, make sure you're not missing out on future revelations. Subscribe now to Profitability Plus and be at the forefront of the digital revolution. Your journey to unparalleled profitability starts with a simple click. Join us, subscribe, and let's redefine success together.